This is how you can get Microsoft Office for free legally. So Microsoft Office includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Publisher, etc. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. I'm on my laptop right here. All you need to do is you want to tap on these combination keys and you're going to get it for free. This is legal and everything is included. So what you want to do is you want to press Shift and hold it and do Control as well, like that. You want to do Windows key and then Alt right here. And when you do that, it's gonna pop up. So when you do that, it's gonna pop Microsoft 365, and this one is actually included in your computer on Windows. So this is great. I'm gonna make it bigger right here just to show you guys. So this is a hidden shortcut that allows you to have all the Microsoft apps on here. So you can install it. So you can install the apps right here. You hit install apps. You can also, create new document. So right here it's included Microsoft document, PowerPoint presentation, so Excel workbook, and you have forms, you have quiz, list, and so on page. So on the left side, I'm going to show you this is all free because of the shortcut that we just pressed. So Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. So you have Teams, OneNote. OneNote is good for taking notes as well. So you have different apps as well. So I'm going to show you guys here. Let's do a test. Word document, just press on it, click on it, and you need to have the Microsoft login. So you have to create a Microsoft login, which is kind of like the same as your Gmail. And then you have right here, document online. It's going to open in a browser and it works the same as Microsoft Word. This is kind of like similar to Google Docs, right? So kind of like Microsoft is kind of making the same thing as Google Docs. So you can create resumes, you can create letters, you can change anything on the right side right here, which is pretty neat, right? So you don't have to pay for anything of this, and it's gonna save, you're gonna save the file name. This is test file name, test file right here. Okay, so this works the same, and it's gonna save it into your OneDrive on a Microsoft account, and just like that. So you can create documents. And let's go back here. I'm gonna create a PowerPoint presentation just to show you guys. So it's gonna go to OneDrive. You need a Microsoft login, which is free, and you can create PowerPoint presentation. So you can do this on access it from your phone as well. So test, hey, okay, so Microsoft Office, nice. So you can add more slides, new slide, you can do this, and you have different animations on the top right here. You can do, which is nice. And you can have different templates on here. So this is kind of like reminds me, you have premium right here. It reminds me of Canva. So there's premium design and there's free design. So free design, you can add it like this, and premium design you have to actually pay, and you can make simple PowerPoint presentations right here, and just like that you'll be able to create your own PowerPoint presentation, which is great. And then let's go back here. So this is all saved automatically on the cloud. Let's go back to the Microsoft 365 app, and we just go do Excel. So Excel, here it opens a new tab as well. So depending on your internet, here you go. So test one, test. So okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it just works right here, and you can do like formula, and you can do data, and you can do anything you want, just like Microsoft Excel. And here you go. So you can rename it book test 1, and it's gonna save. You can save it to anywhere you want. This is on the cloud, so this is great. And let's say I'm gonna make OneNote as well. So you can do different pages as well, and you can see more right here. I'm gonna hit see more, and it's gonna recommend different templates right here. So you can have form, quiz, list. So let's do form. So if you want to do forms right here, people fill out forms just like surveys and stuff. Okay. So it takes a little bit of time. So let's say title form, say test form description. Okay. Let's add new. Oh, you can do choice, text, rating, and you can have ranking, like her Net Promoter Score section as well. You have different section, so you can have collect responses right here. So this is great for getting like a poll or vote or something, form, survey. Okay, just play around, and then we're gonna have quiz, we have list as well, we have page. Okay, so let's do list. What is list right here? So this is a preview. Okay, all right, let's say I'm going to do event itinerary. So there's a bunch right here, as you can see on the left side: travel requests, work progress, content scheduler, give ideas, expense tracker as well. So event itinerary, it's gonna have like different section name, session code, session type, description, speaker, and so on. So this is an event planner. So let's do use template, and let's hit create. And you can have here. So you can have, you can plan events here, session type, start date, end date, duration, and so on, just like the sample it gave earlier. And so page, what is page? This is pretty new to me as well. So Microsoft Sway. Oh, okay. Engage your audience with Sway, stories, presentation, newsletter, vacations, insert. So you can insert different social media. Okay, Bing, YouTube, etc. Remix great design with minimal effort. Okay, so start with template. Let's do resume writing samples. Start editing. So it's gonna have get started. Okay, so experience, school name, skill, abilities. So this you can publish it on your website, having your resume here, which is great. You can start editing as well. You can hit on that right here, and you can start editing, right? Any section of this. Pretty neat, right? So you have volunteer, skill, abilities, education. So you can list your resume right here, and you can post it on your website or link it to your resume file. So this is what page is. A lot of cool stuff. This reminds me of Canva a little bit. Presentation, resume, cover letters, calendar. Let's say calendar. So you can create like different calendar right here. Resume and cover letter right here, a bunch. Just a couple. And some are like premium right here, as you can see on diamond right here on the top right. Presentations, PowerPoints. So, and then you can have surveys. These are templates. You can have flyers. So I bet like they're gonna add more templates later on. Flyers right here. Budgets. Education, right here. So you can have PowerPoint, Word, Excel right here, template, business. Okay, so different templates right here. You can have Outlook as well on the left side. Right here, you can have Outlook. Let's press on Outlook. It's gonna open Outlook right here. Right. So you can have Outlook just built in right here on online. You can have OneDrive. You have Microsoft Teams, OneNote as well. Just hit OneNote, a bunch of, it's gonna open your OneNote, okay? And then apps, you can have, okay, all these apps right here. Okay, so Sway, To Do, People, Power, Automate, Skype, List, Forms, Family Safety, Calendar, so on. And then you can go to My Content on the left side. And it's gonna show you all the content that you created earlier. And let's go back home. All right, so you can install apps as well. Let's do hit install. So go premium with Microsoft 365 to install the latest premium apps on your PC or Mac. So if you want to install apps and not use the web version, which is what this is, so you need to actually pay and have a product key. But if you just want to do like just kind of Google Docs style, you can do like again like Control Shift Windows Alt at the same time, press, and then it's gonna open this. Pretty neat and convenient if you have Windows installed on your computer. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe. This is free and legal, so you don't need to pay for anything of this Microsoft Office. Before you had to buy and then you had to subscribe. So this is a great free way to get Microsoft Office 365 on your computer. Please subscribe and like. See you guys in next video. Bye.